fully remodeled home showcasing unique restored wood touches throughout, blending classic charm with modern updates. This inviting residence offers 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, ideal for comfortable living. Enjoy the convenience of a detached garage with alley access on a 0.166-acre lot and a partially fenced yard, perfect for privacy and outdoor activities. With single-level living and thoughtful updates throughout, this home offers comfort, convenience, and curb appeal. Nestled in a quiet neighborhood close to local amenities. Don't miss the opportunity to own a beautifully updated property with character and functionality in Grays Harbor County. Schedule your showing today.